Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Lexus is250. This is a 2008, and basically I'm gonna be changing the V-belt or alternator belt, serpentine belt, this belt here basically. Now in this case I'm looking at the car from underneath, and I remove the cover that is here, which is just like a plastic dust cover, mud cover, and that cover comes off by removing a number of 10mm screws. Basically, that's the cover there, and it's got quite a lot of 10mm screws around. As well as some plastic type of buttons that hold it in place. I also removed the center bit there because originally I was only gonna do the oil and the oil filter, but turns out that the belt is looking just a little bit on the old side, so before it goes out we're gonna change it. So I think it's a little bit easier to tackle this from this angle rather than from the top, although I think it's also possible to do it from the top, but we have a bit more room here. And what we need is 14mm for this tensioner, and we need some sort of pin, like a 5mm pin or so, to put in here to lock it into there so we can remove the belt. So here's my ratchet, get it in there, and this is the pin I'm going to be using. That's going to go in there. Once we release the tension here, so we're gonna release the tension, that is going to move, and that's where the pin is going to go. So let's try to do that now. Okay, now the belt is nice and loose and we can take it out. But just before I take it out, I'm just gonna make a little drawing of how this is, and then so we know exactly how the belt goes back in and we don't have to spend hours trying to figure out how it goes back in. So we have air conditioning here, we have a crankshaft pulley, tensioner, alternator, and idler wheel here, and I think that might be the water pump. So let's do a little drawing. Okay, so that's my drawing. Now I know how the belt goes back in. Now we can just remove it. So we just go from the tensioner there and pull it out, and try not to get your finger in between the belt and any pulleys there, so we can avoid any fingers getting caught in case that became loose for some reason. It shouldn't really, but these days anything happens for no reason. So okay, this is our belt. Right. And there we are. So now we're gonna get the new one, and practically it goes back in the reversal of removal. The belt still looks okay, but it is beginning to squeak a little bit, and also the car is done 60,000 miles, so, and it's just been sold, so we don't really need to have any issues with a belt breaking or anything silly like that. So there we are. So I'm just waiting for my belt, but it looks like I won't be getting it until tomorrow, and I'm not sure I'll be able to film refitting this belt. But it's basically, if you reach this point, all you need to do is wrap your belt around all the little wheels there, as in the drawing. If you made a drawing, just follow your drawing, and then you can release the tensioner. Release the tensioner, take the little pin out, and then remove your ratchet, and that's pretty much it, really. It's a fairly simple belt to do, and you can do it, like I said, from underneath or from up here. In this case, I close the underneath now, so I'm gonna refit the belt from here and just release the tension. You can actually access it from up here or from the bottom. It's not really a major thing because it's a fairly simple belt, but obviously where the pin goes, it's easier to see it from underneath. From up here you kind of have to feel it more than you can see it. So in any case, I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.